Hello friends, Namaskar. In this video, welcome to another video with SD Shananda Das. I'm a multi-asset trading and investment specialist. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the commodity market. And commodity market, when I say I'm going to take a look at via my fountain of gold setup, with which I'm going to apply, go to indicators, invite only SD Rainbow Wave version 1 and SD RSI X. Version 1 will apply as asset master. So asset master, first I'm going to take a look at the overall S&P GSCI. Looking at the background color, it is quite clear that the latest bounce back in commodities are not working. So most important in this factor will be look at which are the commodities that are faltering the most, because this buy thirst and the down move, which are the one which are the weakest, we must, as a buyer, would have to avoid them. As a seller, we have to embrace them at some point in time. So this is a lovely time when the trend is neutral in 24 commodities. Some of them are fighting up, some of them could be fighting down. So in this regard, for next I'm going to look at the broad measure DBB. That is the base metal. Is the base metal down? Let's see. So far, no. It's a background is green. Yes, a marginal correction, but nothing looks like that we can short it. So here the main GSCI saw the background turning yellow, but this one DBB, and that's a very natural correction when it is at a mountain top resistance. So this is very, very natural that here it is correcting. Next, we take a look at DB8, that is agriculture. Yeah, if you look at the RSI X, you can see the agricultural fall is much bigger. So we don't want to remain Joby entry. This is the time to exit from the agriculture. Means yesterday, this DBA was open yesterday, though was long. It had to exit yesterday for sure. So agriculture is definitely weak. This is not where we want to remain. Means in the next round, this round agriculture was strong. It is out next round. Now next move jo hoga, usme something else could be, some other portion of the commodity could be firing up. Next, we take a look at aluminium. Aluminium is not as good as zinc. Iska jo breakout attempt from the zone, it has failed several times. So unless you get a clear success, it's best to avoid aluminium. I remain in an avoidance mode in aluminium. This is the higher range and this is the lower range. Quite a big range, but nothing can be done at this point. We can't afford to lose money just trying to play the range. At least I'll not be doing that. Next is zinc. Zinc has been rather better. If we want to try zinc on the long side, it makes much sense because it has been on the bullish side, not like aluminium. It has higher on the range on the upside, not like zinc. But zinc, if you remain, those who are trading, you know, it has been showing volatility. It has been showing volatility because overall market is moving, becoming more and more volatile. So that you have to take into account while you are playing the zinc. Zinc remains a better trade on the long side. Now there is no entry. This was the entry point. If you have missed it, nothing can be done. It's better to wait. It's bad to get at a bad area. Entry is very, very important. Entry is the most important than exit also. This is lead. Lead largely I'm avoiding. It's in a range, very tight range, and it's nothing happening largely in lead. If you look at copper, the latest round of bullishness still there. I think copper is, though it's not bullish, but it is much better position. So it is on a red cap, means correction. So no entering right now, but we can enter once the price action becomes bullish. I've exited the replay mode. Now, once the price action is bullish, then we can enter if the momentum is with us. So this is good because the risk will be low. This is a strong level. But on the other hand, if it fails to hold up, then it could go for a much bigger decline. I don't know how it will play out. If anyone going for this kind of, say, buying right now, will have to keep a stop loss below it, 851 definitely. Maximum one can go for 846, but 840, 846 would be the lowest point. This means stop loss, but still it's bigger for this. Better entry could be once it shows confirmation, says goes up, price action becomes bullish. Means that's unless price action becomes bullish, I will not be entering. So once at least this level is cleared, some round, once this level is cleared, another round of firing can be done in copper as per the daily chart. So we'll be closely watching mainly price action. Once it starts bullish, how it reacts, that will be decisive. Yesterday, our exit was lovely in gold, was it not? Morning when we discussed about gold exit, it was a lovely exit, lovely, just lovely. Yesterday gold dropped, silver dropped, it was a lovely every move. Silver, I have said many a time, not that bullish like gold. With background yellow, there's a full exit in silver, so wait for a full green candle. Unless we get full green, nothing can be done, not much can be done. Full green candle cannot be there. Now, after gold, silver, we are going to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, I got a sell signal, but I told you in my video, I'll not sell. First of all, white cross outside and my risk reward is not favorable. Now, if it turns lower from here and starts breaking below this level, that will definitely sounds like an entry for me, but I'll know looking at the structure when it starts coming. So the alert I will use here is short momentum bearish. I'm not at all thinking about buy trades. Could be buy trades coming in future. This could be a final consolidation crude before it goes up. But until it goes up, I can't buy. Until I get all my conditions up, I can't buy. Sell I can do. But for that, I need to wait for the short-term momentum to turn bearish. Then only I'll sell. Otherwise, I'll not sell. What and fine-tuning in regarding fine-tuning I will do. Fine-tuning, as you can see, this is the clear happening. This is not good. So fine-tuning for is I use the 125 minutes chart, and here I use the rainbow cell. Like case to case it depends, but in this case, since I have the buy signal, I'll definitely want the rainbow cell signal in 125 minutes. Unless that is coming, I'm not really there to sell it. I will wait for crude oil. As I did not sell, see, I got rewarded. That crude oil bounce back and my position is nothing, so no loss, nothing. So at times waiting is also I consider a kind of a trade. This is the natural gas. Natural gas looks bullish. It can go further up, but we are waiting for price action to turn bullish. Once it turns bullish, we get a breakout in 125. Natural gas can go up. Daily overall, the rise is coming. A new breakout in NG can happen via the slanting area. 252 that we discuss is likely the target. And finally, after consolidation, this can try 271 as well. So it has been good move so far in natural gas, and today could be another round of breakout. At least this week definitely can be another round of breakout, and finally our target of 252 is likely to get reached. Our empty line ke baad, our second target is the touch of this or any flat line. The second target is reached, is almost reached, and this is the third target which is going to get reached. So best wishes from my side to your trading. I hope this video was helpful. Agar help hua, don't forget to like. All the best from my side, and as always, happy trading.